Street vendors in Lebanon often sell fruit juice that is fresh squeezed on the spot. In Tripoli, a specialty fruit drink is jellab, which is made from raisins. A main dish from Lebanon. Serves 2. Step 1. Heat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Puncture the eggplant with a fork, place on an overproof container and bake, turning frequently, until a fork can puncture the flesh right though. Step 3. Carefully remove the stem and skin. Step 4. Chop the flesh and puree in a food processor or blender or pound in a mortar with pestle to a puree. Step 5. Add in most of the lemon juice and all the tahini. Step 6. Crush the garlic to a paste with 1 teaspoon of salt and blend with the eggplant mixture. Step 7. Check the flavor, then add the rest of the salt and lemon juice if necessary. Step 8. Add the oil and parsley. Step 9. Place in a shallow dish, garnished with parsley, and serve at room temperature. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.